I know you said what we try to keep it in the house, but they tried to stay together even if it wasn't quite perfect. As they got a little older, it seemed like it got a little better. But these days, it's a microwave. Oh, I'm done with you.
Oh, I like that word. You know, I used to
It's
say
a
that.
microwave. I'm done with you. It's like no fight for the battle, no nothing. I am done with you. It could be like, well, I just came in at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. You done already? It's a microwave right now. Everything is fast. A lot of changing shoes.
I agree.